Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go today with a special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could take a look and check out the link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer. This is coming from ALOVECO, ALOVECO LED induction wall lamp. Really cool. Got a lot of goodies inside. This is a 2-pack they have. Light source is COB, aluminum is 220, power 2 watts, color temperature 6000, IP65 is the waterproof human body induction light source. So really good stuff right here. Comes with nails, 2 solar wall lights. So take a look. Here they are. It's gonna be bright. Oh, there we go. ALOVECO. Got the solar panels here, the light bulb there. 3 different modes in the back. I don't know if you guys can see. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1, and this is off. And 3. It's pretty bright, so we're gonna set that. Comes with these things. You just pop it out. But I think you might need them for the weatherproof, so you won't get the socket dirt damage. But we got 1, 2, 3. So slip it all the way 3. And hold on one sec. They are offering a 50% off for this product. I'm using the code AJ86TTF3. Again, I'll have that down in the description and then in the comment section. So in case you didn't get it, it's AJ86TTF3. That's 50% off your order for this light and high quality material. Definitely up there, right there. Nice built. It's a great motion sensor for you guys to get for your outside home, protecting your valuables and scare away some critters outside. You never know. And then, hold on one sec. Okay, the material for the solar panel is ABS plus PC material. So this is premium stuff right here. You will not be disappointed. So definitely you guys check them out. Great company on Amazon. Get this fast free shipping. You get this shipped out to you really fast. 3 different modes I showed you got. And hold on one sec. Here you go. Here's kind of like the brightness of the light. I mean, it's still kind of dark. It's just gloomy outside right now. I'm going to do an install in a second. I'm going to figure out where to put it, and I'll be right back. Alright, YouTubers, here we are with the ALOVECO solar light. Kind of nice hooked up in there. And this solar is going to charge it up. And tonight, it'll be working. So if you guys want to get one at a low cost, all you got to do is click on the link down below and check them out. Pretty cool. Got that all the way up there. Not sure where I'm going to put the other one at, but right now, that would do. But they are bright, so definitely click the link, grab a couple for yourself or your family members, and you guys have a good day, be safe, and see ya.